Another one. Should I have another one?
Looking so Taiwan, did the way you handle things, you got me acting so dumb, and I don't know the reason of my excitement. But if it's cool with you, well, you so come with me. Let's go and dog until my inner sexual healing. The feels when she coming, got me loving her, making a fool of a man that be having a lot on display, but they're hiding his face. Well, I go with the wind when it blows, cause if that day gon' come, you best believe the offer's on you. Oh, I'ma miss you when I'm gone. Just sucks cause I'ma wonder, what if I stayed and right the wrong? Will I be happy too? Will it be even true? Girl, I'm telling you the deal, the rest be up to you. You don't have to wait, I can ease your pain. You don't have to be left out in the rain. Don't you say you're fed up, tired of love. Whatever you need, I got it, come with me. You don't have to stay out except by the phone. You don't have to ever feel like you're alone. Don't you say you're fed up, tired of love. Whatever you need, I got it, come with me. Left me in critical condition. I want a girl who will have me constantly and will tell me no lies when she looks me in the eyes. She'll be worth it to the end. Seek for horizon. I'll give you what you're entitled to. Worth is undeniable. Just when I think I found the one, I turn away, look